Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we're gonna keep working on the FJ45. We're gonna remove the back of the cab, it's just slapped on. We're gonna remove it, cut some patches, measure, weld, and continue the roof. We got some adjustments to do and then we're gonna spray both of them epoxy. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the longer we look at this thing, the worse it becomes. I'm gonna cut it maybe here. As for the other side, it's a little bit more forgiving. It's a little less rusty, but it's still rotten anyway, so we're gonna cut it from here. I think we're gonna keep the bolt hole to the outer side. All of that is gonna get patched. Get out of here. Okay guys, so we ended up cutting both sides, the rusty parts. Now we're gonna straight this metal out, then clean it up, then start drawing the patches. Okay guys, so we ended up cutting this batch piece, which goes on the driver's side corner. Oh, passenger side. Anyway, now we're cutting the edges off so we can make the channel that goes like this and like this.
The opposite, huh?
Yep.
And then we're gonna weld one last piece.
Yeah, we're gonna brace it up on the both side, just to make it sturdier. So.
All right.
Guys, so we needed a guide down for the roof, just like this one. As you see, it's lifted to hell. So we found this pipe thingy that goes perfect. As you can see, it's the same diameter. Even if it's a little bit larger, it's better. So fits just as this one does. So we're gonna be using this for both sides. Okay guys, so we ended up making this batch piece, which goes like this. We're gonna bend it in, then we're gonna make a reinforcement bar over it. And now he's taking measurements to start cutting the next piece. Okay guys, so if you haven't noticed yet, it's been a while. We left this project for a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks. You can tell by the way that it is. Look at the rust. So this is the panel that we patched for the
Back of the car.
back of the car. I even forgot what was the name of this panel because it was a long time ago. So now we're back. The E30 is done. She's running fine. We're just breaking it in. So it got a new parts and stuff. So we're gonna drive it slowly. So we're gonna be cleaning this up, welding it in. Maybe starting on the other side. Maybe not today. We'll see about that. Guys, so we're doing the math, blowing, taking measurements, prepping the patch, and this creature, also known as the cameraman, is laying down. Okay guys, so this is the first batch piece for this side. The first shell. Gonna be 2 shells above each other. So we're gonna weld this in. Okay guys, so we got both inner braces, the roof structure welded in. This one's halfway anyway. So this is gonna be the end of today's video. I'm gonna catch you next time. We're gonna be welding the structure all in and welding the outer piece too. See you then.